Hello, my name is Ian, and I'd like to tell you real quick about a feature in boxcutter, which I like to call the custom cutter. So you might want to use the custom cutter if you want to cut a shape that's more detailed. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we need two objects here. One will be the object that we're going to cut with the custom cutter, and then the other will be the object that will be our custom cutter. So if I go into boxcutter mode here, and I start detailing this object, I'm just going to make it so that it looks like a little Y here. Alright, so we've got this slightly more detailed object, and now we're going to cut this object with that more detailed object. But first we have to add it as a custom cutter. So if you go into the D menu and click this little thing that says custom, there's a new icon there, so that adds it. You can see custom shape down there. And now you know you've got this custom shape thing going. So once you select your new object, you can just drag as per usual, and as you see, this shape is not a box, and it is the shape that you just created, whatever that is. So you can click, and you've got this really nice detailed shape. Another thing you can do at any point in time is go back to your custom cutter and update it. So the custom cutter is updated now, and if I want to go back to my other thing and keep working on it, I can hop back to the custom shape and go like this. And now we've got some nice detail in there, and you can just keep doing that however you like. Whoa. Yeah, so that's it. Pretty simple, pretty quick. I'll see you later in another video. Cheers!